Oh God, please, no, Daniel, no, no! Whoa, Daniel, we're in a real jungle.
Oh man, I didn't want to actually put an effort.
Oh my God! There's one of the producers! It's the rubber tree! The rubber tree!
Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.
Oh my God, look, there's more! Ooh,
Whoa, Ashton, look, I found a frog.
no way!
Ribbit! Ribbit! Ribbit!
This is the lake where animals can get drinks.
Water's wet. Oh my God, Daniel! Daniel!
What's up?
Look at all those monkeys!
Oh, dude, nice. Oh, hey, look, I found a banana.
No, Daniel!
In the temperate rainforest, there is a lot of rain.
Oh yeah, you know it. Actually, I think there's some right now.
Yeah. Also, guess what we're standing on? That's right, that's soil. Well, Ash, do you feel that? I think it's a mudslide.
Oh shoot! Ah!
Okay, great. As the name implies, this place gets a lot of rain, so it's pretty
Actually,
moist.
4 to 3 inches of rain.
That's a lot of rain, my dude. Wish California had that much rain.
And the wind, it's mild, not too high.
It's nice, it's nice.
A mere breeze of, about 1 to 3, maybe even 5 miles
Does it
per
get all
hour.
that hot?
Depends, but usually the degrees sit around from like 70 to 100.
Pretty reasonable. These are the mushrooms, the decomposers.
So, what were the ones we chose called?
Oh, the death cap.
Well, that's nice. So one of the limiting factors to the natural wildlife is us humans.
See, we're all cutting down trees. It's really hurting the environmental ecosystem because the animals don't have a place to eat or hide or sleep.
Or die.
Ashton, no. One of the biggest and scariest predators in this entire jungle is the jaguar.
It is able to run over like 80 miles per hour, I think.
I think you're thinking of Jews.
What?
You're thinking of Jews.
Oh, I am.
Go Jags!
Now it's time for the food web! So,
Alright, now some of the decomposers in this area are the rubber tree, wait, no, I messed up. Some of the producers in the area are the rubber tree, the lily pads, and the grass. Things that eat those include the gazelles, the deer, the rodents, the lily pads, the bats. They eat the ants. The ants. Can you edit this stuff out?
yep.
Yep. The owls eat the bats, and the foxes eat the mice. The monkey, as you see, eat the fruit on the tree, but the fruit is not available currently. The mushrooms mushrooms are the decomposer, and they decompose the tree. While the lynx eats the mice and the fish. The alligator chills out in the lake, and he eats the frogs and the fish. And of course, the bird eats rodents and fish.
Dude.
Alright guys, that's it!
That's a wrap.
We're all done! And by the way, thanks Joey for filming.
Hey!
Also, turn the camera around. Show him your face. Show him.
Hello!
Okay, there he is.
subscribe to PewDiePie,
And
smash that like button, nay on those noobs for the epic victory royal. Remember, support your local temperate rainforest because us humans are cutting down trees and it really sucks.
And Daniel, Superman pose. Because we're gonna fly around the screen, right?
Okay, yeah.
We're Daniel like this. Don't move.
I think this is kind of
No. Hands up.
This is over
Hands
here,
up.
you guys.
Just stand still. One of the limiting factors
Okay,
of this whole. One of the limiting factors
And-
of this rainforest